The new generation of large field of view jewelry welding machine, with split structure design convenient for trolley transportation, is equipped with a new generation of high-energy pulsed laser power supply, self-developed energy-saving and environmental protection, stable and reliable, healthy and comfortable, super cost-effective. Comfortable sitting position, intelligent color touchscreen, various accident protection, and power failure prompt functions reduce machine maintenance costs. Introducing Italian Large Field of View Stereo Microscope Optical Imaging Technology. The diameter of the lens is 135 millimeters, 6 times the diameter of a traditional microscope, solving the problems that the traditional microscope fails to observe the welding directly in front. The visual effects are highly clear to reduce the risk of occupational diseases and protect the eyes from injuries. Choose us, away from fatigue.